Hey everybody, this is Chef Candra, and you know I want every plate to be great. I am here in Northern Virginia today in McLean at J. Gilbert's Steak and Seafood House, and I'm really excited to be here today to review this amazing seafood mixed grill and lobster mac and cheese. Lord, I thank you for this food. May it nourish my body, bless the hands that prepared it. Amen. Mwah. All right, so we're gonna get into this. The entree that I chose was the seafood mixed grill. It has shrimp, scallops, salmon, jumbo lump crab cake, Yukon mashed potatoes, grilled asparagus. Let's give you a close-up of that. So the plating is really beautiful. I'm really impressed. Used to seeing this with a cheesecloth, but that's the only negative that I can see thus far. I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. First, I'm gonna try the crab cake. There's a lot to try here. There's no filling on that at all. It's fresh, flavorful, very sea-like. Let's try the salmon. Salmon has a nice little char on it. You can taste all the spices. Not over seasoned, not overcooked. Your close-up of the salmon. It is delicious. I hope everybody's having an amazing day today, because I am. I always do, and I want that for you. Let's try the prawn. Oh my gosh, the scallops in with the actual prawn. There's your scallop. Delicious. Oh my gosh. Very good. Now we move on to the asparagus. I'm gonna try the leaves. Asparagus doesn't really pop for me. There's nothing really exciting about it. It's good for you, it's delicious, but I could have done without it. Let's refresh my palate, and I'll go into this lobster mac. So the pasta, as you can see, is not as saturated in cheese as most of us know as far as mac and cheese is concerned. Let's try it. I can taste the cheese, but to me this is just pasta with cheese. Lobster pasta with cheese. Let's try the lobster. Lobster is delicious. Lobster is very much toothsome. It's tender and chewy, and it's very savory. Let me tell you a little bit about this base now. Now my taste buds are dancing. So the J. Gilbert Steakhouse has been here for about 20 years, a little less than that. Hello, sir. Before that, it was called Charlie's Place, and it is known by locals as the best steakhouse in McLean, Virginia. I'm so excited to be here today. They also have an amazing email club where you can get all kinds of coupons, and they'll tell you about the specials that are coming up and such. It is owned by the Who Hands Restaurant Incorporated chain. They also have franchise opportunities if you're interested in that. And this location in particular prides themselves on high quality cuisine and in an inviting space. I agree. Delicious. The mash is very buttery. It's obviously a red mash. There's some, fumble. There's some, the red potato skins are in there as well. So we like the fact that you can taste a little bit of not just a smooth, but a little bit of, I like the red potato with the, thank you so kindly, with the mashed potatoes. I kind of like that consistency, and it's something that I don't generally make because I'll eat a lot of it. So my taste buds are like, oh my gosh, what are you doing? I want more. They're open 7 days a week. Their happy hour is from 3 to 6 p.m. Please come out and patronize. You won't be disappointed. I just love the ambience. I'll show you a little bit of the space, but I'll give you a close-up of the food before I bid you adieu. So you can see that. And the Lobster Mac. And we'll show you a little bit of the space. So back here is a private dining room. You can reserve it and pay a fee, but if it's available during the day and it has not been reserved, I was told that you do not have to pay a fee. And just to give you a little bit of the decorum here, so beautiful. Hello. They have fireplaces. It's a little quiet because this is after lunch. The lunch brunch has left for the day, and the bar is all the way up there. I might have to patronize a little bit later. And that's it. If you like what I'm doing and you're watching on Facebook, then please click the 3 dots on the top right side of your screen to add me to your favorites. If you're watching on TikTok, I'm your culinary cutie, C-U-T-E-Y. If you're watching on YouTube, every plate is great, exclamation point, or you can look up Chef Candra and you will find me. That's right, me. And if you're watching on Instagram, every plate is great, and that's what I want for you. Come out to J. Gilbert's. You won't be disappointed. Also, get on their email list so you can see all the discounts and all the amazing food. And trust me, your taste buds will dance. All right, I bid you adieu. Au revoir for now. This is Chef Candra. Make every plate great. Mwah. Au revoir.